Hey, it's Tony. Welcome or welcome back to the channel, your trusted source for smarter, stress-free travel. Tackling the questions you didn't know to ask and the challenges you didn't see coming. Today, we're diving into what to pack for spring travel. Whether you're exploring iconic cities like Paris or New York, hiking scenic trails in Yosemite or Banff, or juggling both urban and outdoor adventures. Spring travel can mean sunshine one minute and showers the next, so efficient packing is the name of the game. I'll also share tips for handling multiple climates, managing your suitcase weight, and mastering smart packing techniques like the 3-3-3 rule. Ready? Let's get started. Spring travel often means packing for a mix of climates, especially if your trip includes both urban and outdoor destinations. For example, let's say you're heading to Paris for a city escape, but you also plan to visit the Swiss Alps for some light hiking. The key is versatility. Start with base layers like merino wool. It's lightweight, breathable, and works equally well as a standalone top in Paris or as insulation under a jacket in the Alps. Add a lightweight waterproof jacket, perfect for strolling along the sand or braving alpine rain. And instead of packing separate outfits for each location, focus on neutral pieces that mix and match easily, like dark jeans or chinos and solid colored tops. For shoes, go with a pair of waterproof sneakers. They're stylish enough for city streets, but practical for outdoor walks. And if you're worried about space, pack a pair of foldable ballet flats or sandals that can tuck neatly into your suitcase. What's your favorite destination that combines city and outdoor adventures? Let me know in the comments. I know it's tempting to overpack when you're traveling to places with varying weather. But let's talk about managing your suitcase weight without leaving out essentials. First, embrace the 3-3-3 rule for packing. Here's how it works. Pack 3 tops, 3 bottoms, and 3 pairs of shoes. This gives you 9 outfit combinations without overloading your bag. For spring, aim for lightweight layers. A couple of t-shirts, a long sleeve button down, and a cardigan or sweater. For bottoms, choose a mix, like jeans, lightweight trousers, and maybe a pair of shorts if you're heading somewhere warmer, like the Amalfi Coast. And for shoes, stick to 3 pairs, maximum 1 for walking, 1 for dressier occasions, and 1 for specific activities like hiking. Pro tip, wear your bulkiest shoes on the plane to save space in your suitcase. Finally, swap heavy fabrics for packable options. For example, a packable down jacket is just as warm as a bulky coat, but takes up a fraction of the space. And don't forget packing cubes. They keep everything organized and help compress clothing so you can fit more without adding weight. Do you have any packing hacks for saving space? Share your best tips in the comments. I'd love to hear them. Now, let's talk about packing techniques, because how you pack is just as important as what you pack. If you're short on time, vertical folding is your go-to method. Fold clothes into compact rectangles and line them up in your suitcase like filing folders. This not only saves space, but also makes it easier to see everything at a glance. For those with a bit more time to spare, try the bundling method. Here's how it works. Layer your clothes flat in a crisscross pattern, starting with your largest items like jackets and ending with smaller pieces like t-shirts. Then wrap them around a central core, like a pouch of socks or underwear. This method minimizes wrinkles and maximizes space. And for the ultimate space saver, roll your clothes. Rolled items fit neatly into packing cubes, which is perfect for organizing by destination. like city gear in one cube and hiking gear in another. Which packing method works best for you? Folding, rolling, or bundling? Let me know below. Heading to a city like New York or London, pack versatile pieces like a trench coat. It's stylish, lightweight, and weatherproof. A scarf is a must. It adds warmth and can double as an accessory. And don't forget a power bank for your phone. City days are long, and you'll want to stay charged for maps and photos. For warm weather destinations like the Amalfi Coast, bring a mix of breezy sundresses, swimwear, and a sarong. A straw hat and polarized sunglasses are spring essentials for UV protection. And instead of a bulky tote bag, pack a collapsible beach bag that folds flat in your suitcase. If your spring getaway includes hiking in Yosemite or Banff, focus on layers. A moisture-wicking base layer, a lightweight fleece, and a packable rain jacket will cover most weather conditions. Don't forget a waterproof day pack and a reusable water bottle. Hydration is key when you're on the trails. Quick reminder. If you're enjoying these tips, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel hacks and destination guides. And let me know in the comments. What's one item you always pack no matter where you're traveling? Spring is such a beautiful time to travel, but it's also unpredictable. With the right layers, versatile pieces, and smart packing techniques, you'll be ready for anything. Check out the description below for my favorite Amazon finds and links to my packing playlist for more inspiration. Thanks for watching, and remember, wherever you're headed, enjoy the journey. I'll see you in the next video.